It's simple time, and this is Chef Tatong, and today magluluto naman tayo ng isang simple but not too ordinary chicken dish para sa inyo. Kaya let's start cooking!
Simpol, simpol, luto na, ha.
This recipe is part of the Simpol Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. Kaya today, gagawa tayo ng isang chicken dish na medyo very simple gawin pero very special ang dating niya. Kaya we start off with our chicken. What do we do now? We marinate our chicken with, eto siya, meron tayong dato puti soy sauce and lemon juice. So, kung wala kang lemon juice, pwedeng calamansi. Or even nga, pwede vinegar if you want, no? It's very important that we marinate para magkaroon ng flavor yung ating chicken, no? Pag sinasabi natin nanunuot yung lasa, is because time was taken to marinate the chicken. Na hindi lang yung sarsa may lasa, kundi pati yung loob niya, no? Ito siya, kahit mga 15 minutes, pwede na siya, no? It makes a big difference. So, we will use 12 cloves of garlic kasi highlight natin na ingredient ng ating garlic. So, meron tayong whole garlic, 12 pieces. And I will just heat up my pan with a little oil. Yan. And I will also put butter. So, yan. 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. And I melt that. And I add my garlic na hindi pa masyadong mainit yung aking pan, yung aking oil. But I'm already going to add the garlic. So, I will cook the garlic gently, yan, hanggang medyo mag-brown siya sa labas at medyo tender na siya sa loob, no? So, hindi yung nasunog siya sa labas pero hilaw pa yung loob. So, we want to cook our garlic gently. Nice. So, look at that. Very beautiful yung garlic pieces natin. And now, look at that beautiful pieces of garlic. We remove it from our pan. Set it aside. Gagamitin naman natin siya later. Let it rest. And what do we do now? We will sear our chicken. So, our chicken for a while, and we just put our chicken. The browning of the meat will also add flavor, which we want. So, as soon as it's brown on both sides, tatabi natin yung ating chicken. Hilaw pa to, guys, ha? So, you don't have to worry kasi lulutuin pa natin siya later. And the next batch, sear again, skin side first. So as soon as our second batch of chicken has seared off, babalik na natin yung ating first batch of chicken. So once we've returned, put back all the chicken into our pot. Lalagyan natin siya ng canned mushrooms. So whole mushrooms from UFC. Just put it there. Yung brine nito, nilagay ko dito, tinabi ko because I will use the brine. So if you want to use the brine, you can use the brine. Or if not, you can also use chicken stock. But I'd rather use this than just plain water para mas maging flavorful yung ating sauce. And we just saute that, no? And after sauteing the mushrooms, I will add 2 tablespoons of flour as our thickener, no? So, we want to cook the flour. Ayaw natin na maglasang hilaw yung flour natin. So, we make sure that we cook it first. Ito na siya. So, ito na yung pinaka-base natin na chicken. And what we do now is we will braise. Ito yung first part natin. And I add here yung extra marinade ko. Yung kanina from the chicken. I just add it. And my chicken stock or mushroom brine. And what I will do now, I will cover my pot and let it simmer for around 15 to 20 minutes. And let's check on that. Beautiful. So you know that your chicken is cooking properly because there is a liquid there, no? But what we do now, we just season with a little salt so that the flavors develop. So hindi pa siya fully seasoned dahil hindi natin hinahabol yung sobrang sarap pa niya. Yung ginagawa lang natin is we're just adding a little bit salt and pepper para mag-develop yung flavor. And pepper. And it's going to be so beautiful. And tingnan mo ha, yung consistency nating sauce, naging almost gravy-like already. Diba? So we just cover it up again and let it continue to cook until talagang fully cooked and tender na yung ating chicken pieces. So, let's check on our chicken again for the second time. Oh, look at that, no? So, the sauce is even thicker now. And medyo, our chicken is almost cooked. So, what do we do now? Let's finish it with a little bit of cream. So, we want a very creamy sauce here. So, yung gagawin natin, we turn down the heat a little bit. Yan, konti lang. So, it doesn't boil too much. Kasi ang problema natin sa cream natin, if you overcook the cream, hindi na magiging smooth yung ating sauce, di ba? Kasi parang nagbi-blister siya. So, what we do, when our chicken is already cooked towards the end, that's when we add our cream. Very gravy-like yung ating sauce for now. But with the cream, it's going to lighten up, no? Yan. Just add our cream. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add a little bit of chopped parsley. And I will arrange the garlic pieces on top. Garlic on top. So I just added some of the garlic pieces, fried garlic pieces, into our chicken so that it infuses flavor. And I'll just cover my chicken. So our chicken has been cooking a total of around 30 to 35 minutes already. And I think we're ready to plate. Woo, very nice. Pag may bisita kayo, ma-impress sa luto nyo. Hindi nila alam ano ka-simple gawin, di ba? And we garnish with a little bit of buttered vegetables. Yan. And of course, our fried garlic. So this is a very simple and elegant dish you can serve to your family. Surely they will enjoy. Our version of garlic mushroom chicken. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!